and welcome to Jubilee Road for a TRS Trains special. Now, if you have been here a while following the channel, you would know I have had a loco fairly recently in the last couple of months customised by TRS Trains. Now, TRS Trains has come up with a really good innovative idea for double O gauge, which is operating smoke. Now you might think, well, that's not very new, is it? But this one, the way it's done in here, is. Now, as I said in the last video I did about this, the old way of doing it, you use oil-based stuff, and you pour them down the chimney and it creates smoke. I went through the problems of that, you should know what they are, so I'm not going to go through them today. But this runs on just water. It's a water vapour system which is fitted in the two locomotives we have in front of us today, and it produces smoke. But it goes a little bit further than that, as you know from my loco I've already got. It's synchronised puffing smoke, so the smoke comes out of the chimney in time with the bark, if you want to call it that, of the steam locomotive, which is really quite impressive. But amazingly, he has gone another step further than that. Now, both of these locos in front of you have working cylinder drain cocks, which are the ones here at the front. If you've been to a preserved railway mainline steam, when they set off, if they've been sitting for a while, you'll see an awful lot of steam coming out here on the cylinder areas, and it makes a heck of a lot of noise, which you know. Now, he has managed to replicate that in double O gauge locomotives. How? I really don't know. That must have taken some patience to put that in there. So what I'm going to do, I am going to show you that in operation here on the layout. We are going to concentrate on the Grange, the GWR Grange over the other side. And then we are going to have a small running session around the layout, just to see it in operation, and have some coaches on the back of the models as well. So let's get the Duchess out the way, which is City of Leicester, and believe it or not, that is a Hornby double O range locomotive. That's why I don't want to use it so much, because I don't want to break it. And yes, it's the first time a Grange has been here. So let's have a look at the operating smoke system. So as I said, we are going to use this Grange class, which is Bucklebury Grange. Now, not only has all the smoke been done, it does have sound, which you can hear in the background, and it has been fully detailed with weathering. You got the lamps fitted there, and you do have real coal, which this model really does look the part. So, as I said, the smoke is turned on by function 10, which is the smoke that comes out of the chimney. And then function 15 turns the cylinder drain cocks on, which you'll see the smoke coming out now. So if I press function 15 for you, you'll see what happens. Can you see that? It might be a bit hard on the camera. Yes, there we go. Look at that. And then if I just turn them off. Now that to me is a fantastic feature to have in double O gauge. And I'm going to say it again, how he's fitted it to double O gauge, I really don't know. The cylinder drain cocks also work automatically when the model sets off. So that's what we're going to do in the next shot. We're going to run it up and down this piece of track so you can see the synchronized puffing smoke and the cylinder drain cocks all working at the same time. So let's have a look at that. We're going to go away from the camera as usual and keep your eye out for the smoke system in operation. So let's set off. I'm hoping you can see that on camera, guys. It is a lot harder to see the smoke, but as you can see there, the synchronized puffing smoke is working really well there. And this model does sound rather nice, doesn't it? That is so nice. I am so impressed with his work on this loco. It also has an active brake. There we go. And I'll bring it back towards you and you'll see the smoke system working again. you can see there, the cylinder drain cocks on automatic mode do shut off after a certain time. But you can put them back on like this if you want. That is some special loco this. I absolutely love this idea. Yeah, really, really impressive this. Well, I think you all gotta be honest. That is so good to have all that smoke system packed into such a small model here, which is only double O gauge. You can see that. You would expect it in O gauge because they're a lot bigger. So that is my review here on the TRS Trains smoke system, and I hope you enjoyed it. To me, it's a fantastic way to add realism to your layout. We are going to see the Duchess loco again running around here in the running session at the end. If you want this fitted to your locomotive, please get in contact with TRS Trains. He will have your loco, he will fit all the necessary workings and parts, and you know, you can specify what you like and whatever stuff like that. I will leave links in the description below so you can easily click on those and have a look at pricing and turnaround times and all that. I would 100% recommend his work. It is extremely good, high quality. The models look fantastic. The smoke system is really reliable, as I've had mine for 2 months and it's running really well. So I just want to say a huge thank you today for watching, and a big thank you to Kyle over at TRS Trains for really kindly lending me these 2 locomotives. I'm going to leave you now with a few shots of these 2 running around Jubilee Road, including the first ever night shot here at the layout. I'll be back with loads more railway content for you very soon. Bye everyone!